Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for your little one's oral care. We're excited to introduce Dr. Brown's Fluoride-Free Baby Toothpaste. This toothpaste is specially designed for infants and toddlers, making it the perfect choice for your child's first brushing experience. Let's explore what makes this product a must-have for parents. Dr. Brown's Fluoride-Free Baby Toothpaste is a game-changer in early oral hygiene. This toothpaste is formulated without fluoride, artificial flavors, or colors, ensuring a safe option for babies aged 0 to 3 years. Parents can feel confident knowing they are using a product that prioritizes their child's health. One of the standout features of this toothpaste is its ability to gently clean teeth and gums. With just a pea-sized drop on a super soft bristled toothbrush, parents can help their little ones learn proper brushing techniques. The small circular motions recommended make it easy for babies to get accustomed to brushing. Another great aspect is the inclusion of Xylitol. This natural sugar alcohol is known for its dental benefits, such as reducing the risk of tooth decay and gum disease. It also helps minimize plaque formation, making it an excellent choice for maintaining oral health from an early age. The delightful strawberry flavor is sure to make brushing a fun experience for your child. With flavors like apple pear and mixed fruit also available, kids will be excited to brush their teeth. This encourages healthy habits that can last a lifetime. Lastly, the easy-to-open flip cap allows for convenient use, even with one hand. Always remember to supervise your child while brushing. Dr. Brown's Fluoride-Free Baby Toothpaste is made in the USA, ensuring quality you can trust. Thank you for joining us today. If you're looking for a safe and effective way to introduce your child to oral hygiene, Dr. Brown's Fluoride-Free Baby Toothpaste is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and parenting tips. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about this toothpaste? Happy brushing!